Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Team Magic. In this video we're going to show you like a self-working card magic trick that you can fool anyone that you want. It's very easy. It doesn't need even a little sleight of hand because as I said it's self-working. So yeah, let's get started. As I'm doing right now, you can shuffle it as many as you want. Even the spectator can shuffle it too. No, right now, tell the spectator to choose. I want to choose 9 random card. Even you can do that. Please tell me where to like. Do you want to be the like first card, second card? Say right.
This is the second,
Okay, you see the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. You don't need the rest of the deck, so you put it right here. And like that. Now even we can shuffle these two. Now we tell the side to choose a card. Okay, in this case it will be this one. I won't see it, and I will just show it to camera. I hope the camera will get it. Okay, I put it right here again. Again, tell them to say stop. Okay, this would be a great place. Now we put the rest of the on it. We don't have any pinky break or something else. So right now, we tell the spectator that I want to put the cards like this. No, what? Which pile do you want to be on the other pile? I mean, do you want to this pile and this pile, this pile and this pile? What do you want? They say like this pile and this pile and this pile 100. That would be great. Again, this time we do this. Right now, can you tell them do you want to be which pal and which pal? They'll say like this one and this one. And this one 100. That would be 100. Now, again for the last time. I make it with this file, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, so great. Now I can easily guess your card. I like kind of I did this. It was. Let me think. I think it was this one, right? Well, it was so great. I think that it fooled you. And yeah, let's see the tutorial. Well, guys, you saw the performance. We hope that you like it and you enjoy it. Here's the tutorial. At first, we can shuffle the cards as many times as we want. Well, once they was happy and they thought everything is clear and fair, tell them to pick 9 cards. Well, they will say, you'll choose this card. Let me put it on the table. This well, this deck, this card. As I said, it's random. The spectator can choose 9 cards. It's not important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what we discard. Well, we don't need the rest of the deck. Just need these 9 cards. Now, we will pass through cards. We can do it like this way, but in this magic it's not great. Like, we should go one by one. It's great. So we assume they will tell us we will choose this card. Of course, as I tell you in the performance, we should not look at it. But since I don't have a spectator, I can say it too. It's 10 of clubs. So this is a important part. Let me. Well, this is so important. As I said, we have to go and pass through cards one by one, and we will count it from the top card to the word that the spectator will say I will put my card on it. Let me show you, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like we assume they will say I will put my card. Let's show it. I will put my card on here. So we count it 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will be 6th card. And now you know the spectator's card is the 6th card, and we should not shuffle it. Don't shuffle it. So yeah, we'll put cards. We can do it like this or like this. So I'll put it like this. Even we can change it. For the first time you can do like this, and for the next time you can change it. So let me just see. Now we know where is the card. Well, yeah. Let's we know that it was the 6th card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should know the order, how we put the cards, like this or like this. We put it like this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is their card. But we should not tell them. It's in our mind. It's in our mind. We just thinking about it. Well, again, we tell them that where do you want this pile to be on it? To be on which one? If I say, you know, their card is here. They will say this pile. So we should not lose it. If you look like this, now it's the 4th card. Let me make it face up to get it. Well, we know that now it's a 4th card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know it's a 4th card. Again, we tell them you want to be on it or the bottom it. They will say it's not important. They will say the bottom. If it was top, you have to 4 plus 3 and calculate it in your mind. Well, we know it's a 4th card. Again, we tell them this time I will put the cards like this. And we knew that it was a 4th card if you like. It wasn't face up. Well, now again, we tell them that which pile do you want to be on it, on which pile. They tell us this pile, I want to be on this pile. Now we know it's a 5th card. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they will tell us I want this pile to be on this pile. So we should add add 3 to 5. Then it could be now it's the 8th card. Let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can easily guess it right now. You can do it again, put it, but it's not necessary. It's unnecessary. So yeah, we tell them that I'll pass through cards, and I think this would be their card, your card. So yeah, this was all of the magic. It was so great. It was self-working that you just should calculate it in your mind. It's not any sleight of hand. It was so great. So please subscribe and like comment under our videos, and don't forget to see our next videos. Have a nice day and goodbye.